Hey, Jimmy, I get it. You're sick of being a fall guy for Rio's battles. I completely understand that. I completely understand that shit. But don't turn around and make the same mistakes that he makes, man. Because then it's going to be a whole debacle of, oh, see, he's a hypocrite. And they would be right. Everybody would be right, man. Now you're running because you don't want to take the heat for speaking the truth. No, stand 10 toes down on your truth, Jimmy. Because anybody with a brain had nothing to disagree on in regards to you and Rio. Stand 10 toes down. Let the haters hate. Don't start taking shit down pretending you getting flagged. No. And Mr. Clone Man, Mr. Eminem Clone Marshall Mathers himself, LA, he's over there on his Rumble playing our shit and whatever. Bro, you want to try and make some logic out of this shit like Buck and look stupid? Go ahead and knock yourself out. Knock yourself out. I don't agree with Jimmy taking down his shit and whatnot, but I will agree that he shouldn't feel obligated to hold Rio's hand like he's a fucking child. I definitely agree with Jimmy on that. Because if any of us are going to be dark side or whatever you want to call this shit, what is the point in running to Rio? What is the point in Rio being the leader? What is the point? I'm tired of reiterating this shit. Running to Rio or being cool with Rio is useless. When Rio keeps crying to Jimmy for help. It's done. What's the point? What's the point in that? I gotta agree with Jimmy. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I'm gonna cook you. I'm gonna cook you, Jimmy. You bad Okay, Buck. You're doing this to defend Rio, but Rio is desperately on his knees begging for Jimmy's help because he don't want to cook nobody on his own. He needs a team behind him. You might as well just open your throat for Jimmy. Because that's what Rio's doing. God, why is this so complicated to understand? Mr. Clone Man, why is this so complicated for you to understand? Oh, I know why. Because Jimmy, you fucked up by running. You had some truth going. We was feeling what you were saying. Then what do? Run because you don't want to take the heat. Okay, you don't want to take the heat for Rio's problems and the shit that he gets himself into. Okay, cool. But now you're running from your own arguments? Huh? See, I'm standing 10 toes down on my shit. Y'all say what y'all want about me. I ain't taking down nothing. I ain't taking down nothing. I said what I said, nigga. I stand 10 toes down. 10 piggies down on what the fuck I'm saying, nigga. But LA, you can be happy that we're giving you some content to play. Right? So yeah, you can thank us. You're welcome. Peace out.